Now class, today we will study the study of VI and VR characteristics of the solar cell. So this is the setup of the solar cell. This is the solar cell photovoltaic cell apparatus in which we are having milliammeter, we are having millivolt, the resistance knob, and these are the key connections that we have to do. This is the solar cell. See, here is the solar cell we are having, and this is the light source to have the intensity on the solar cell. Now let us see to the connections. The connection says that milliammeter will be in series with the milliammeter in the circuitry, and millivoltmeter will be also in the series with the circuitry, and the solar cell leads will be going to the solar cell panel. Now how to start with the practical? We will just have the distance between the solar cell and the light source to have a fixed intensity falling on the solar cell. Now in this resistance, load resistance, we are having SC, that is for the short circuit, and we are having 10, 22, 33, 37 like this the values of the resistance. Your observation table consists of the intensity, resistance in ohms, voltmeter in volts, and the ammeter in ampere. So whatever value we will get it from the millivolt and the milliampere, you have to change it into the ammeter and voltmeter. Now let us start with the practical. I have just set the setup. Now what we have to do, at the same distance of the 5 centimeter between the solar cell and the light source, I have to just move this knob in the anti-clockwise direction. So let us see what will happen. See, for the 10 ohm, we are having the millivolt value as 300 millivolt and the milliampere value as 22.5. So we are having intensity at 5 centimeter, resistance is 10 ohm, voltmeter is 300 millivolt, and in milliampere we are having 22.5. Clear? Now next we are having the 22 ohm. So for 22 ohm we are having the value as 380 millivolt, and milliampere as the 15.4. Now for the 33 ohm we are having milliammeter as 12 and voltage in millivolts as 400. So we are seeing that the volt is increasing and the current is decreasing. Now for the 47 we are having the value as around 8 of milliampere and the voltage value as 420. This is for 47. Next we are having the 82 ohm. For this we are having the current as 5 milliampere and the voltage value is around 430. Then 100 for the ohm, we are having the current value as 4 milliampere and millivoltmeter value as 440. Every time we are having increase in the millivolt and decrease in the ampere. Then for the 150 we are again having the value as 6 as milliampere, and then we are having the voltage value as 450. This is at 150. Then for the 220 kilo ohm we are having the value as 4 and then we are having the value as 460 around. So again the last value is 1 kilo ohm. That 1 kilo ohm we will have the value as 1 milliampere, and then we are having it as 450. 50, 60, 70 around. So we are having this value. I am having some contradiction at the value of 150. I will check it. For 150, I am having the milliampere voltage value as 6 again, and the current value, millivolt value is around 440. So it is correct, 460. So there is a contradiction. There might be circuitry somewhere it is there. So this was the process to take out the reading. Clear? Now what we will do, we have to just plot the voltmeter with the resistance and the current with the voltage, and you will get the volt and resistance variation as this, and the current and the voltage variation like this. There is no calculation in this, but for this you can calculate the resistance for a particular V and I, that is it matching with the resistance or not. So this 2-3 calculations you have to do and your practical will be over. So this was all about the solar cell characteristics. Thank you.